Whee!
14.
This is nothing to sneeze at.
Almost gonna whip it. That was soon.
That's my bad. Sorry, I just sneezed like 73 times.
You distracted me.
Yeah, it was my sneezing. Guys, that roasted him without even having to try.
Well, if you want to listen to me, a bitch.
Which sneeze do you think got him? The first one or the third one?
First one, third one, or the second
Alright.
one?
Don't quote me on this, but 7 off the rail, this rail there.
Call it.
Well, since it's on video, we're definitely going to quote you on this.
That didn't look the way you planned it
Oops.
out.
Look better on paper?
Those are all things that look better on paper. And that was definitely one of them.
Robert, I gotta go soon. You want the rest?
You need to be good for
There you go.
But nah, man.